In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the DATEDIF function in Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel and get your worksheet ready. The DATEDIF function is designed to calculate the difference between two dates, and it can return that difference in complete years, complete months, or total days. This makes it especially useful for tasks like calculating age, measuring length of service, or tracking the duration of a project. To follow along, set up some sample data in your worksheet. Create columns for name, start date, end date, and years. Then enter a few example rows of data with dates in the start date and end date columns. The exact names are not important, but the dates should be real Excel dates, so the formula works correctly. Next, we'll calculate complete years between the two dates. Enter your dates into cells B2 through C4 if you're using the same layout. Then click cell D2 and type the formula equals DATEDIF open parenthesis B2, C2, quote, close parenthesis. Press Enter, and Excel will return the number of complete years between those two dates. After that, drag the formula down to the other rows to calculate the rest of the results. The Y tells Excel that you want complete years only, not a partial year. You can also use DATEDIF to return months or days by changing the unit in the formula. For complete months, use equals DATEDIF, open parenthesis B2, C2, quote, close parenthesis. For complete days, use equals DATEDIF, open parenthesis B2, C2, quote, but close parenthesis. This flexibility is one of the reasons the function is so handy when working with date-based data. If you want to calculate someone's exact age in years, months, and days, you can combine multiple DATEDIF formulas into one result. Use this formula, equals DATEDIF, open parenthesis B2, today, open and close parenthesis, quote, close parenthesis, ampersand, quote, years, space, quote, ampersand, DATEDIF, open parenthesis, B2, today, open and close parenthesis, quote, close parenthesis, ampersand, quote, months, space, quote, ampersand, DATEDIF, open parenthesis, B2, today, open and close, parenthesis, quote, MD, quote, close parenthesis, ampersand, quote, days, quote. This will produce an easy-to-read result, such as a number of years, months, and days. One important tip before you finish. DATEDIF may not appear in Excel's formula menu or autocomplete suggestions, but it still works perfectly when typed manually. Also, make sure the start date is earlier than or equal to the end date, or the formula may return an error. And that's how to use the DATEDIF function in Excel.